Get the most out of your resources. Efficient, sustainable manufacturing with TruTops Boost. Just boost it. Our general manager has great news for the crew today. They fulfilled the resource saving plans last quarter. A real future topic, because efficient production is good for both the environment and the company finances. There's still room to improve, of course. With remainder sheets, for instance, the general manager already has a plan. Blimey, the remainder sheets. Oh no, a resource eater. Wasted resources are his favorite food. His boundless appetite has been whetted, and he'll destroy everything he can get. That means missing resources and rising costs. Where will it all end? But the GM is already on the job and activates TruTops Boost, the rescue. The intelligent nesting technology in TruTops Boost nests automatically, shortening programming times and minimizing waste. TruTops Boost filters and combines jobs with the same material and thickness. The integrated remainder sheet management displays suitable sheets. For maximum material utilization and lower resource consumption. He can't handle that much efficiency. Hooray! Get optimal resource utilization and cut material costs with TruTops Boost for sustainable manufacturing. TruTops Boost. Just boost it.